The Indigenous Sashing Ceremony at UNE's graduation is an opportunity for us to come together as a community and celebrate the achievements of our students. It takes years and years of hard work, commitment and resilience, and so we're really kind of coming together to showcase that and to celebrate that.
The Sashing Ceremony, it's an event that we're very proud of. I'm sure it's given a little bit more recognition to the students who are graduating, and the Sashing Ceremony does that. It includes the students' parents and friends to come along and share that day with them.
We really do encourage family, friends, loved ones to come along because we know that students don't do this in isolation, they don't do it alone. They have all of their supporters that come along with them on that journey. And so it's important that they're part of the Indigenous Sashing Ceremony as well, because it is also a celebration of their commitment to their people. A lot of students have told us that they really enjoy the Sashing Ceremony. For some of our students, it's the first time that they actually come on campus, and it's the first time meeting face to face with many of the team here. I think for students who study online, they've been doing it in isolation the whole time. They don't really get the opportunity to mix with the staff here at Oorala face to face or one another. So it's an occasion that they get to come together and see who their community actually have been through that whole time that they've studying. It kind of makes it real because they're here, they're on campus, and a little bit of a time for them to reflect on what they have actually done.
To see them wearing their Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander sashes through the graduation ceremony, and just how proud they look wearing those colours. I'm proud because education is power and knowledge, and to see all these young people now going on through the university system is great. These students that we look at now and see, they're the future leaders for the Aboriginal people in this country.